5 Golden Habits for Healthy Aging. Discover them now. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you're passionate about living your best and healthiest life as you age, you've come to the right place. If you find this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel and allows me to continue sharing valuable content with you. Today, we're diving into a truly life-changing topic: 5 Golden Habits for Healthy Aging. These simple yet powerful habits can help you maintain good health, energy, and a positive outlook as you grow older. Aging is a natural and beautiful process, but it's important to take steps to protect your health and well-being so you can fully enjoy every stage of life. So without further ado, let's dive into these 5 golden habits that will set you on the path to a vibrant, fulfilling future. Before we get into the golden habits, let's take a moment to change the way we think about aging. Many people view aging as something to fear, but it's actually an incredible gift. It's a time to reflect, grow, and embrace different chapters of our lives. By taking action today, you can ensure that these years are filled with health and happiness. Remember, the steps we'll talk about today don't require perfection. This journey is about progress, not pressure. Even small, consistent changes can make a significant difference over time. These habits are easy to follow, realistic, and tailored for anyone looking to age gracefully. Let's start with the foundation of healthy living: your nutrition. A balanced diet is key to fueling your body with everything it needs to stay strong, active, and resilient. Why does nutrition matter so much as we age? As we get older, our metabolism slows down, our nutrient needs shift, and our bodies may become less efficient at absorbing essential vitamins and minerals. That's why choosing the right foods is so important. Focus on incorporating nutrient-rich foods like fresh fruits, colorful vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains into your meals. Think of your plate as a rainbow. Each color represents different essential nutrients that your body craves. For example, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with antioxidants to protect your cells, while healthy fats in foods like avocados and nuts support brain health. Hydration is equally important. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated supports your energy levels, digestion, and even the appearance of your skin. Remember, it's all about balance, not deprivation. Enjoying occasional treats is perfectly fine. Just aim to create a diet that primarily supports your long-term health. The second golden habit is staying physically active. Movement is essential for maintaining a healthy body and a sharp mind as you age. Staying active strengthens your heart, keeps your muscles and bones strong, and helps prevent chronic conditions such as diabetes, arthritis, and heart disease. You don't need to become a marathon runner or professional athlete to reap the benefits. Even gentle forms of exercise can have a huge impact. Walking is one of the simplest and most effective ways to stay active. A brisk 30-minute walk a few times a week can improve circulation, boost your mood, and enhance your overall health. Other great activities include yoga, stretching, or light strength training. Yoga and stretching improve your flexibility and joint health, while strength training helps maintain muscle mass, which often starts to decline with age. Do what works best for you. Even dancing, gardening, or playing with your grandchildren counts as exercise. The key is consistency. Fit movement into your daily routine and make it enjoyable. Aging gracefully isn't just about physical health. Your mental well-being is just as important. That's why the third habit is all about keeping your brain stimulated and engaged. Your mind thrives on challenges and new experiences, so it's important to give it the exercise it needs. Reading books, tackling crossword puzzles, or even learning a new hobby can help keep your brain active and sharp. Activities like these improve memory, concentration, and cognitive function, helping you feel mentally energized. If you've ever thought about learning a new language, trying out painting, or even learning to play an instrument, now is the perfect time to dive in. Technology can also be a great resource. Apps for brain training or online classes can introduce you to new knowledge or skills from the comfort of your home. The more you challenge your brain, the better it will serve you in the years ahead. Keep your curiosity alive and don't shy away from stepping outside your comfort zone. Humans are social beings, and staying connected to others is vital for long-term health and happiness. The fourth golden habit focuses on maintaining strong social bonds and cultivating meaningful relationships. Studies have shown that people with close connections to family and friends often live longer, healthier lives. Sharing laughter, stories, and experiences with others has a profound effect on emotional well-being, helping to reduce stress and even lower the risk of depression. Make it a priority to stay in touch with the people you care about. Set aside time for weekly phone calls, plan coffee dates, or join community groups or clubs to meet new people. Volunteering your time for causes you're passionate about is another wonderful way to connect with others while making a difference. If you feel lonely or isolated, remember it's never too late to rebuild connections. Small, genuine efforts over time can lead to deep, rewarding relationships. Surround yourself with a support network that lifts you up and reminds you how valuable you are. Our final golden habit is about giving your body the rest it needs and learning how to manage stress effectively. Sleep is the cornerstone of a healthy life and becomes even more important as we age. It supports everything from memory and immune function to mood regulation and physical recovery. How can you improve the quality of your sleep? Start by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine such as reading, meditating, or listening to calming music. Limit caffeine, heavy meals, and screen time in the evening to give your mind a chance to wind down. In addition to prioritizing sleep, focus on reducing stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on both your emotional and physical health, so finding ways to manage it is crucial. Techniques like meditation, mindfulness, deep breathing, and even journaling can work wonders for calming your mind. Remember, relaxation isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for staying healthy and balanced. Now that we've covered the 5 golden habits for healthy aging, balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, mental stimulation, building social connections, and prioritizing rest and stress management, where do you begin? The answer is simple. Start with one habit. Pick one area of your life that you'd like to improve and take that first small step today. If it's adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals, start with 1 extra serving a day. If it's moving more, take a short walk this evening. These small but consistent actions create a ripple effect, leading to big changes over time. Don't put off your health until tomorrow, next week, or next year. Your future self will thank you for making the choice to take action today. Thank you for watching this video and joining me on this journey toward healthy aging. I hope you feel inspired and empowered to embrace these habits and create a life filled with energy, joy, and well-being. I'd love to hear from you. What are you planning to work on first? Share your thoughts, goals, or experiences in the comments section below. Let's support each other and celebrate the progress we're making together. If you haven't already, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might find it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, you have the power to live a vibrant and fulfilling life at any age. Let's make it happen. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.